Hello, I'm Daniel Merker, and this is my app, Fuel Frenzy, an application designed to not only provide better insight into your car, but also your driving behavior and allow you to share those behaviors with others. When you open the app for the first time, it'll check to see if you're a registered user. If not, it'll push you to the login screen. If you do not have a login, you can go ahead and register, and it'll send you an email to validate. Otherwise, you can just enter in your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll be able to access items like your vehicle data by pressing the top button. From this view, the app allows you to see all your vehicle data in a user-friendly manner and does all the necessary conversions for you. Now we'll look at our trip data by clicking the Trip Data button. The app will continuously record important metrics like miles per gallon even when the screen is off. To create a new file, simply hit the New Trip button and provide a new file name. All files are stored in a folder called Fuel Frenzy, which can be accessed via any standard file manager. Now we'll look at the actual game data by clicking the Game Data button. The game consists of two parts. The first is a multiplier that increases based on good fuel-efficient driving and decreases based on bad fuel-efficient driving. The game consists of two important parts. The first is the multiplier, which increases based on good fuel-efficient driving and decreases based on bad fuel-efficient driving. The second part is a base score, which is multiplied against the multiplier every tenth of a mile. As your multiplier increases, you'll gain more points per a tenth of a mile, and that is added to your daily score. This score, along with your behaviors, are then uploaded to the server on a periodic basis. This leads us to the online scoring system, which can be accessed via the Online Score button. This screen allows you to see the top scores both by user and teams and by time, while the View Scores button allows you to see your score, your team's score, and the score of any teams that you might be competing with. By clicking View Your Scoring on a map, you're able to see when your multiplier changed, how much it changed, and on what routes it did change. You're also able to look across different days and determine which is the best route to best maximize your score. Finally, we'll talk about teams. By hitting the Manage Team button, you're able to see all the teams that you manage. From here, you can create teams if you do not manage any teams currently. You can remove members, remove competition, or you can add additional members to your team or add competition to the particular team that you're on. Users are added to teams based on user IDs that can be found in the main menu. Teams, on the other hand, use a different set of IDs, which can be seen in the drop-down box at the top of the team management screen. This concludes my walkthrough of Fuel Frenzy. I'd like to thank you for your time and consideration.